Marantz lovers and Sound United fans, you'll be pleased to know right now that Marantz has launched a new mini amplifier called the PM6007 and their CD player, which is going to be called the CD6007. So they are all budget level. They are not too expensive. They are kind of like an update to their already successful 606 series. So the new 607 series is just a pretty much little upgrade over those all those models from last year. So let's take a look at some of the new things that you can expect with this new model. The new model would have that's the new model for the amp. The PM6007 would have a 45 watts per channel power output. It's going to have a new DAC that is premium. It's gonna come with the AKM AK4490. This is a flagship level DAC from AKM. It's also would have the Cyrus Logic CS4398 in it, so you get better sound performance for it. The price is around £500. It's relatively mid-level price for a decently powerful amplifier. It's gonna be able to give you a ton of power if you're looking for something to power your bookshelf speakers while you work. So the thing here is that it even supports a subwoofer output, so you can actually hook up a subwoofer to your 2-channel setup. You can get something out of the amp basically. So it's quite nice. It's really quite nice. The CD player is gonna come with its own new DAC. The CD6007 is coming with its own new DAC. It also has support for 24-bit 192K high-res audio. It also supports DSD. Has a USB input. It should be able to really deliver good noise-free sound. I think this is a really good CD player, because when you look at the brand that makes this product, you would know that Marantz not only putting the work into producing good audio products, but they still give you some really decent warranty support for their products. So they are quite good. The price for the CD6007 is gonna be £400, and they will definitely be available soon, and the dates that it will ship out would be on the 7th of September, and it will be quite interesting. The thing here is that once more reports about the stuff comes out, I may cover it if there is any other thing to cover. But as of right now, I think this is really a good innovation, good news, and I'll wait and see when it's out, and if there is any buzz around the new CD player and amp from Marantz. All you gotta do right now is to subscribe, follow us here on social media, like our content. I'll see you guys next time.